Hi Hadu, today we are going to draw the flag of Uganda. So you can see here I already have drawn a rectangle here previously. Alright, and inside the rectangle you can see a few stripes and a symbol in the middle. Okay, so let's start drawing the picture of the flag and put the colors here. So first we are going to put the black color on the top with a pencil. Let's put the black color. Okay, you can see the stripes, and also another black color is going to be here. Okay, all right, so two black colors. Now we're going to put the white color. This is the white color, and the yellow color after that one. So let's see the yellow color, which is putting after the black color, beside the black color. So yellow color is done for the top portion. Now we're going to put another yellow color for the next one. Okay, and we're going to put the red color for the other segments. All right, you can see the red colors here. Okay, so the presentations of the Uganda you can see here looks nice. I hope you like the video. Please subscribe the channel and put the bell icon on to get the updates. Thanks for watching. Thank you so much. Have a good day.